Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to make your Instagram account private. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open your Instagram application. Now you need to go on your profile on the bottom right corner. So there you can see this is my Instagram profile and I want to make my profile private. Then what should you do? You just need to go on the top right corner 3-line menu bar icon, select it. Now you can see at the first option settings. You just need to select settings. Okay, now there you can see there have a option privacy. You can see privacy. So just open on this privacy. Now at the first option you can see private account. You just need to enable this. Then you need to confirm it, switch to private. So there you can see it's completed. So guys, in this way you can make your Instagram account private very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.